Well, this here is a single wide junker we just got, and this has to be torn out. We just got this under contract. As you can see, there's very nice single family homes on the same block, along with some other nice mobile homes. Brand new mobile home going in over there. But this is a tear down. It looks like a single wide with an added on porch and a lopsided carport. And look at the roof up there. It's just in horrible shape. I don't know what the inside looks like, but this place stepped in a red anthill. But this is the attraction here. It's waterfront, lake access, beautiful place for a boat. And this dock with that fish station, a fish cleaning table, that can be cleaned up. I think this seawall's in good shape. Yeah, it looks pretty straight, actually. I think that can be salvaged. And rotted wood here on the deck. But that deck can be replaced. I would say keep this fish cleaning table here. And it's got this nice porch, which overlooks the water. And we'll see, this is a cinder block structure. We'll see if we can keep this. But this should be a pretty good sale. Should be a pretty good sale. This waterfront, you can get to the ocean from here. It's a long ride, but you can get to Lake Okeechobee from here. And this property, we should be able to tear this thing out. And I'm thinking on the top side, wow, there's a little water erosion down there. We should be able to sell this sucker for $275. We just got this under contract for $55. But with waterfront like this and this nice view up here from inside the porch, we should be able to get it. Let's get inside and take a peek. I've never been in here before, so let's see how this looks. Okay, I guess they were using this as a bedroom. Yeah, roof damage. So this roof is leaking. This old home is not salvageable. If it was salvageable, I would think about just maybe putting a roof on it, but it's just outdated. I can get a much bigger spread if I just put a home, and I got 10 homes coming. So we're just gonna tear this sucker out. Got limited lighting in here, but yeah, all these ceilings are all nasty with mold and stinky. So this mobile home can be torn out, but I want to try to save that structure on the back. The idea is to save this porch and use it and utilize that water view. So I got to figure out how that's going to work. There's an old bathroom in here, but this is an old single wide. This is what you call a tear down for sure. Another room over here. Okay, this is interesting. So we have that exit into this room. Bonus old Craftsman toolbox. Interesting. Okay, so this is the cinder block structure entering into this room here. Uh-oh. I was gonna say, I thought there were critters in here. That was the blinds. Okay, I don't know if this is worth saving or not. I gotta figure this one out. But anyway, it's a bonus. If I could save this room and just exit out here to this porch, I'd like to keep this porch with this roof, because this structure looks like it's in pretty good shape. But this is a diamond in the rough, guys. It's gonna take about 7 or 8 months to get it done, but this is well worth it. Lake access, baby. Boat docks, seawalls. That's where the money is. All right, over and out. Well, here we are today. We got a mobile home getting delivered here in about a week or so. But before we bring that mobile home in, and this is where the old mobile home was, right here. That was hauled out. We probably saw that in the earlier video clip. And we decided to leave this porch here. But this old dock right here is coming out today. That tree is gonna get trimmed up. The guys are starting to take this dock out of the way, and as soon as that's out of here, by this Friday, we should have a whole new dock coming in, which is gonna be very similar to that one right across there. It's gonna be 32 feet long. It's gonna start from this spray paint mark here. There's my property line. I gotta stay 8 feet off of that. But the new dock coming in will be real nice. It'll really jazz up the look of this house. And this guy's getting a new dock and seawall by the same contractor, so that's good to know. But they're about to cut this thing up and get rid of this whole thing. Can't wait to see the new one when they build it. So stay tuned for a few days and we'll see what it looks like.
Keep it from falling on my head, okay? You have that double lock, that how you clean it up?
I got you.
The guy next to you, you're ready to put a mobile home on, I'm tearing his dog
Watch
out.
the step.
He's gonna get a new boat house, okay? Okay, so do you mind, I'm gonna be doing this.
No, I might.
Do you mind, you know those two little funky looking.
Gotta be careful, yeah. That thing is really rotten.
Can I go ahead and take that? No problem. No problem.
The jaw, it was bananas.
Okay. They're gonna cap all the ends and all that stuff, all right?
Oh, got a bunch of bananas out of it.
Okay, baby. All right, thanks. All right, bye.
Those bananas were growing on those trees right over there. Cool.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they go to our church. Yeah, like I said, everybody's talking about how bad is it? Okay.
Hey, you guys didn't hear about that?
That's her son is really taking care of her, you know, paying for everything. Oh, okay, good then. That works. Hey, listen, I'm over here on 34th Lane. I'm ready to pull out a old car.
I thought it was 2603. Whoa.
26.
What are you doing, Mikey? I broke that.
Whoa.
What are you doing, Mikey? Watch yourself, Mike. You guys got it. Yeah, I know I'm about to let him down. Ready to go?
Well, as you can see, they're cutting up the old dock and still they got to pull the pilings out. It's going from here into the dump trailer, and our wood is just arriving right now. So this is what they're going to build this new dock out of. Gonna roll that off without a forklift. How you doing?
You can get up high enough to hit it. They'll drop everything that's in the way.
Whoa, that was scary. That was scary. Okay, so the lumber's delivered. These guys loaded up a trailer full of stuff here, and looks like they got this tree trimmed up a little bit, and they brought in this little barge that they use for sinking the pilings and putting them in. They jet them in from this rig they've got here. They got it tied up, and they got the whole dock out. So all that dock is out. That's good news. The seawall looks straight enough, and that dock's going to be going in here from that paint mark over there to this paint mark over here. That's 32 feet. Well, here we go with the first piling that's going in. Getting ready to water jet it now. Let's go take a closer look. How many pounds of pressure is that? Enough.
Break down.
Well, we're getting some progress here now. Getting some posts up. Very nice. Very nice. Coming along really well. Well, this is the progress on the dock, and we got a big old blue heron that stopped by to check it out. So the guys are coming here in a little bit, and they're going to be finishing this up, and we'll see how things go. Hey, big boy. He's off to another place. Well, here we are today, and today should be the final day over here. They're putting a cap on the seawall. What they did was they dug out all the dirt in front of it, and they're kind of sandwiching it in with these larger planks, and they're going down there. They're just cutting out that little bit right there where the decking kind of folds into the top cap piece, which is this, which is what they're cutting up there. But it's pretty much done. It looks pretty good. The home's gonna sit up here at the top of this hill, and we'll probably put some steps coming down here. This will be an Airbnb, and it looks really good. And it's gonna blend in with the neighborhood and everybody else's boat docks, really nice. Just trimmed a little off of this tree, and when this is wrapped up, it's gonna look really good. Really good. Fits right in there like a glove. Here we go. Very cool.